Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Inshira and today I'm going to show you how heating makes materials change its shape. So I'm going to make a pancake. Ingredients are milk, egg, flour, sugar, egg. And then I'll stir it up. I'll stir all the ingredients. I mix all the ingredients together until they get smooth into a liquidy batter. Then I'm going to put it on the pan on low flame. The heat changes the liquidy batter into a pancake, and the pancake is solid and spongy. So the heat changes the liquidy batter into hard pancake, spongy pancake, and solid. Bye bye.